Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Hope you are fine. Today we will discuss about chemistry 9th class unit number 5 physical states of matter. Important question answers. So let's start. Question number 1, define Boyle's law. Question number 2, define Charles' law. Question number 3, define evaporation. Question number 4, what are the factors on which evaporation depends? Question number 5, define vapor pressure. Question number 6, what are the factors on which vapor pressure depends? Question number 7, define boiling point. Question number 8, what are the factors on which boiling point depends? Question number 9, define freezing point. Question number 10, define melting point. Question number 11, define density. Hope you will like this video. For more updates, please like and subscribe our channel. For more description, please visit our website www.hssc.pk. Allah Hafiz. Thank you.